Yeah, I have a new toy. And I have a postwoman. She visits me nearly every day, but today she was a bit desperate because this little package weighs 43 kilograms and my postwoman maybe 55. So it was so funny how she came in. Wait a minute, I have to show you. She came to my house like this. Martin, I have a little package for you. Yeah, and it's so unfair that she had to deliver my heavy toys. And if I would notice her earlier, I would help her, of course. And in Germany, we would say to this package Eisenschwein, but there's no Eisenschwein inside. It's aluminum, a bike frame. Inside the box is the Himiway Cruiser. I'm living in the countryside near a motor speedway, and here are nothing than fields and woods. So that should be the right bike for me. And let's do a little unboxing and let's find out if this one suits my needs and if I like it. Yeah, looks like a fender. And what's inside is a fat bike. Check this. That's the front wheel. And that's my style. Fat bikes for a fat boy. Let's find out if I can lift it. There's too much plastic around the bike. And a little box, maybe the charger because it's an electrical bike. And next try. Here it comes. And that's the Cruiser right out of the box. I have to mount some parts like the handlebar, the rack in the back. It's not completely mounted to fit inside the box. The front wheel, the headlight, and of course the pedals. And to do that, the bike comes with a multi-tool with some Allen wrenches, and even all the nuts needed for the bike are included in this tool. And that's what I appreciate a lot. You need only this to mount the bike, no extra tools. So let's do that, and then let's ride it. Yeah, I invested 10 minutes of time and the bike's ready for a ride. But I have to do one thing before I can leave the shop for the first test ride. I like to put this one on a scale to find out the complete weight. And I'm sure you're also interested in, so let's put it on my scale. Let's level the scale. And the weight in total is 33.2.3, yeah, 0.4. Round about 33.4 kilograms. So let's take it for a ride. I took the bike to the Orme Mountains near my hometown for my first ride. And that's a region with a lot of hills and valleys. And my first ride was around about 45 kilometers with an altitude of 600 meters. And this bike's perfect for cruising in the countryside, because it's an electrical bike and comes with a 750 watt hub motor and a 48 volt battery with a capacity of 17.5 ampere hours. And this battery is good enough to go around about 60 miles with one charge, which is approx 100 kilometers. And as you can see, the bike's made for gravel and comes with 26 inch by 4 inch Kenda tires. And these tires are perfect for the country roads near my hometown. And the brakes of the bike are 180mm Tektron brakes, mechanical disc brakes. And yeah, I never missed a brake, even on these steep hills. And also bigger bumps are no problem, because the bike comes with a suspension fork, with a lockout and an adjustment. And all in all, the comfort is pretty good. The bike itself weighs 33 kg and I weighed around about 80 kg, so we have a weight in total of 110 kg, and the top speed on a flat road is around about 38 km/h, and that's pretty good for such a heavy bike with these fat tires. So I'm really impressed about the top speed of 38 km/h. And the Cruiser comes also with a 7-gear shifter and derailleur Shimano system. And I never missed a gear in the Ore Mountains. And combined with the 750 watt hub motor, speed is really impressive, and it's a perfect bike for the countryside around my hometown. And it was a really good day. I had a lot of fun riding this Cruiser, and yeah, I can recommend this bike for country roads, beach, or wherever you're living. And during my trip of 45 kilometers, I missed only one bar in the battery display. So that's also very impressive, and I believe you can go 100 kilometers with only one charge.